Welcome. My name is Ryan Davies. You probably do not know me, and that's okay. I'm about to introduce myself. I, like you, have had no need to be a champion of anyone or anything. I, like you, have had the need to know how to defend myself. Primal is to be fit for fighting. We teach a full combative triangle of striking, grappling, and weapons. Some may call it Krav Maga. Some may call it combatives. Call it what you want. At Primal, our only goal is to build confidence. The foundations of confidence is built through the consistent training of both the body and mind. The soul is enriched through discipline, rules, rituals, and routines. We at Primal provide a safe and professional platform, didactical method, as well as an authentic grading system. It is up to you to take the first steps. Make the choice. Let's start living.